Hello and welcome to my channel where we are making a gourmet tasting ice cream using a box mix. And today we are making a delicious Nutella ice cream. So stick around while we make something boxed, but better. In a medium-sized saucepan, we are going to pour 1 cup of heavy cream and add 3/4 cups of Nutella. Depending on how rich you would like your ice cream, you can do 1 cup of Nutella instead, or a half cup if you would like a more subtle flavor. Mix this together on a low to medium heat until the Nutella begins to melt into the heavy cream. It will look like a really thick, rich hot chocolate. In fact, I'm actually really tempted to make this into a hot chocolate because that sounds phenomenal. But I digress. It is important to make sure that your heat is not too high. We do not want to scald our heavy cream. It is okay if it steams, but if it's starting to bubble, reduce your heat. Once your Nutella has melted, we will remove it from the heat and pour it into a large bowl to add the rest of our ingredients. Be sure to scrape down the bottom. You might find that it's still thick and lumpy. That is okay, it will work out in the end once we mix everything together. Next, we are going to add 1 small box of chocolate instant pudding mix. And then we are going to add 2 cups of whole milk. After that, we are going to mix this on a medium speed until your pudding mix is fully incorporated. And then take a moment to scrape down the edges of your bowl to make sure the ingredients incorporate more fully. And then we are going to kick this onto a high speed and mix it for about 2 minutes. When you are done mixing this, you will still notice that there are small lumps of instant pudding mix in the ice cream. That is okay, it's going to mix out when we put it in the ice cream mixer. And speaking of ice cream mixers, this is the part where we are going to pour our mixture into our ice cream mixer. Now every ice cream maker is different, so I am just going to say to use yours according to the instructions. Mine took about an hour and then my ice cream was done. It is super thick and creamy, and you can eat it right now if you would like, or you can put it in an airtight container and stick it in your freezer for a few hours to let it stiffen up further if you would like a more firm ice cream. Now I am topping this with a little more Nutella because it looks beautiful and because Nutella, yes please, and that is it. Isn't it gorgeous? And there we have it, our delicious Nutella ice cream. Thank you for joining me. I had a lot of fun and I hope you did too. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I will do my best to answer them, and I will see you next time on Boxed But Better with Jenna. Oh, I did that all in one breath.